Today we're doing a big challenge on this machine. There's some bearings that are damaged where you can see right there. There is a set screw, and in that hole there's two set screw. You guys gonna do it? You gotta remove the two set screws. That's the secret, according to Kim. Now we are trying to swing the arm higher. That way that arm that you guys see hanging in there comes out, and we be able to put the new bearings on the, how do you call that? The cam?
What's that?
What do you call that? The cam?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way the bearings do the clock manipulation to move the ATC arm. The problem on this machine was when the ATC arm tried to put the tool in the spindle, it was scooping out the tools. So that's why my people have that problem. And for Kim, it was a little bit of a challenge because he didn't figure it out until a little bit later. They has two set screws in that hole. And after that, the pin comes out pretty easy. And the pin goes in there. So this is a MV-40 with a Cat 40 machine. It's a moriseiki MV-40. So you got some questions, you can contact me, and we're gonna continue working. We gotta raise that up more. That way the little arms comes out. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. See you next time.